Hey guys, it's Jan, hanging out here with the Silver Ray crew in Palm Springs. So, threw together a cocktail using some Silver Ray cacao, some charred onion, some Yohimbe, which is an African tree extract and has a good bitter flavor to it, some Rittenhouse Rye, and a little bit of dark chocolate. Mix that all together, turned it into the base of a cocktail that we added a little bit of soda water to, built on some crushed ice, and tiki away. It's a good day.